Our supply chain empowers green communities with a shared future in building efficient, clean, low-carbon, and circular green manufacturing systems. We paint new ecological pictures with green power. We light up the world with low-carbon electricity. We achieve energy conservation and carbon reduction with digital intelligence technology. CHINT Global has been advocating low carbon for more than a decade, striving to accomplish our dual carbon goals. We firmly believe that starting from ourselves, every environmental protection action is a small yet strong step toward carbon neutrality. CHINT Global is committed to providing sustained support for low-carbon energy transformation and promoting global sustainable development. We cherish the greenery of our shared planet just as much as you do.